On Friday, October 17th, 2025, all members of SD Negeri Anjongan took part in a library cleaning activity. This event was part of the school's Clean Friday to maintain a clean and comfortable learning environment. Teachers and students worked together enthusiastically, sweeping, mopping the floors, cleaning the bookshelves, and reorganizing the book collection to make it neat and easy to access. This activity not only created a clean and pleasant library atmosphere, but also fostered a sense of responsibility and teamwork among all school members. With a clean and well-organized environment, it is hoped that students' enthusiasm for reading and learning will continue to grow. Let's take care of our library as the heart of knowledge in our school. Laughter and cooperation filled the air, as each person played their part in creating a better space for reading and learning. Through this simple act of cleanliness, we learned the importance of responsibility, unity, and caring for our shared environment. A clean library is not just a place to read. It is the heart of knowledge that inspires students every day. Let's keep our library beautiful and continue to grow our love for reading together at SD Negeri 06 Anjongan.